Welcome to KPR-DSB's new Incident Reporting Portal. Together with ICT, Occupational Health and Safety, Education Services, and Employee Health Services, along with support of ETFO, OSSTF, and CUPE, we are excited to share this new reporting process with you. The new Incident Reporting Portal will bring 4 frequently used documents into one report. The Serious Student Incident Report. This report is completed when a student is involved in an event which may lead to suspension or expulsion, but the incident is not directed toward staff. The Workplace Violence Report, which is used when you have experienced a workplace violence event. The Staff Injury Near-Miss Form. This document is used to report any staff injuries or near-miss events. And the Nonviolent Physical Crisis Intervention Report, which is required if staff have utilized extensive verbal de-escalation strategies and/or physical intervention techniques when working with a student. You will only be required to enter the incident information once, and the incident reporting tool will generate all necessary reports based on the information you provide and the fields you select. The incident reporting portal can be accessed through KPR on the web. Click on the Incident Reporting Portal tile to access the web form and begin a new report. You will be asked a series of initial questions, and your response to each of these questions will determine what additional information will be required as you complete your report. You will be asked to complete only those questions or fields that are required based on your responses to these initial questions. You will also have the option to complete the report on behalf of another individual. After entering the individual's name, their information will be automatically populated, and using the relevant details, you can complete the report. There will be some basic information which will be automatically populated when you begin a new report. This will include your name, school or site name, and some additional items. Mandatory fields are identified by a red asterisk and must be responded to before moving to the next field. Please know that there is some information you should have available to you prior to starting the report, including the names of any adult witnesses and other details specific to the event being reported. If a student was involved in the incident, you will be required to enter the student's name or OEN. The student's relevant information will be automatically populated once their name or OEN has been entered on the student information screen. As you work through the reporting app, you will be asked to enter some mandatory information regarding the type of the incident, your union or federation affiliation, the nature and location of your injury, if any, and the names of any adult witnesses. Complete all fields with as much detail as appropriate to the incident. Please be sure to read all fields and notes when completing the report, as there is communication regarding privacy requirements, legislation, and other important information. For confidentiality reasons, it is important that you do not use the names of students where this has been noted. Please complete all mandatory fields with as much detail as necessary, using only the student's OEN or initials. As mentioned already, there is only one specific section where the student's name can be entered. You will also have the opportunity to provide recommendations for steps that may be taken to eliminate or reduce the risk to yourself or others as a result of this event. The workplace violence portion of the report allows you to provide relevant details about any event where a staff member was the target of violence. Be mindful that this portion of the form addresses only incidents where staff members have been the target of workplace violence. You will be asked to describe the violent incident, indicating all types of violence, and confirm if you believe this was a hate-motivated act. It is important to note that hate-motivated acts occur when the individual being targeted is a member or perceived member of a certain social group or racial demographic. You will be asked whether you were wearing any personal protective equipment at the time of the incident, and if you require any protective equipment. If you indicate that you require any items, a notification will be sent to the PPE email inbox, and a representative from the special education team will contact you to ensure you receive the requested items. You will notice that some items are marked with black asterisks. When one or more of these items are selected, the administrator or supervisor must consult the police school board protocol document when determining next steps. The police school board protocol document can be found by clicking on the embedded hyperlink. As with the previous workplace violence report, you will be required to provide some information about the student and any environmental hazards related to the incident. If you are reporting an injury, you will be asked to enter specific information about the incident, witnesses, and other relevant information. You will also be asked to provide information about where and when you sought medical attention, who the incident was reported to, and if there is any police or labor relations involvement. We appreciate your diligence to health and safety and the reporting process. The data collected is used to create policies, programs, and preventative health and safety initiatives. The Incident Reporting Portal has been a long-awaited tool which is intended to reduce the amount of time spent when more than one report is required for a single event. We welcome any feedback via the occupational health and safety email shown on your screen.